This 5-minute solution will show you how to join the official Blox Discord server on mobile. Follow these easy steps to join the official Blox server. First of all, make sure to log into your Discord app and then open a browser and simply type here Blox Discord server. And here tap on this first link, Blox, and then you will directly jump into this page where you can easily accept the invite. So tap on accept invite, and as you can see, currently these Blox servers is full. So all you have to need, if you see this message, you can try again later. So this is the only method to join the official Blox Discord server. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.